Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add recovery email in a Google account. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to go to your Google account. I'm going to open it by applications. And now in this Google page, tap on the account here at the top right in the corner. And now tap on a Google account. In this page, you just have to scroll it down a little until you will find here the option which is security and sign in. You just have to go it and then scroll it down again until we'll find here the recovery email. You just have to tap on it. And to add your recovery email here, you just have to tap on this add recovery email options, which is the button. Tap on it. Then enter your email that you want to set up for the recovery email. Now tap on the save button. And here you just have to enter your verification code, guys. You just have to check for your Google account that you add as a recovery email. Here I'm gonna enter it first. Now tap on verify. And it's already updated, guys. This is my recovery email on my Google account. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.